Police, my brother, amaphoyisa njengamanje kumele engabe abopha uLongwethwala for killing uSenzo. Senzo was shot by uLongwethwala. There was no one who entered the house. Bese ebopha all these police who have defeated the ends of justice. Senzo was shot by uLongwethwala.
Listen.
A call was made by Tumelo. The first call when Senzo was shot. What Tumelo, a boyfriend Kazandi, of which he didn't know by name, had shot Senzo, and then a phone was dropped. At the background, Ukeli, she was crying, go down to Senzo. And that information was given to the SAPS. Why they do not want to arrest Longwethwala, I do not know. You can quote me on that one. His boyfriend, Kazandi, at the time shot and killed Senzo Meyiwa in cold blood. We were told when Senzo was shot by Utumel, and then we made a call back. What do you mean? What's his boyfriend, Kazandi? Uzandi, the Kabana boyfriend at the end. He shot Senzo.
And
the police were told, that several times by the person who was called. So I don't know which Imanje these things about makeup by makeup. If they don't want to do the investigation, they should leave it, because they know we've told them. The person who called us said his boyfriend Kazandi shot Senzo because there was an argument between them.
Amaphoyisa athini ngoba uyabona lento oyiclaimayo manje la emoyeni, it could be very damaging for uLongwethwala. Siyazi ukuthi ukhuluma la ngendodana kaChiko Thwala osaziwayo la eSouth Africa. Nangu umbuzo engifuna ukubuza wona ukuthi uma nisa lolu daba emaphoyiseni nithi naku kuthiwa, in fact sezwa efonini kuthiwa uLongwethwala uyena oDubula Senzo, amaphoyisa athini kunina about ukumbopha or ukumyekela?
In fact, for me and my family, ukuthi bayambopha noma bambophi, it is up to them. It's long overdue. We said to the police several times, and the good police who are in the side of justice have said it to Guti. There was no one who entered the house. Yes, who are working on this case. Even who advocate Chauke in Gauteng, he confirmed it. According to the information that was given to him, there is no one. I had a live recording of Advocate Chauke saying, according to him as an advocate, experienced advocate, there was no one who entered the house. So what else must we say? What else must we say?
Uma sesiqeda ingxoxo yethu but siyabonga. Umndeni wakoMeyiwa namhlanje uthini ngoba sikhuluma nje ubaba Meyiwa akasekho emhlabeni. Ushone umuntu owabulala indodana yakhe engakatholwa. Umama kaSenzo njengamanje isimo sakhe sinjani?
It is said with South Africa abantu besifazane that they claim to protect. Nabonke labo mama have never shown sympathy to Senzo. Yet the killer, we know Uguti, and the people of the law of this country have said Uguti, there was no one who entered the house. And the person who was visiting Senzo for the first time, who didn't know than his boyfriend, but said to us on the phone, his boyfriend Kazandi has shot Senzo, and we said that to the police. She's always been, and while he lost the son. And the saddest thing is I don't know, they are doing it, but when they're supposed to arrest Bazo Kamwana. If I'm not making up these stories, Longwe Twala shot Senzo bene-argument noZandi.
Yeah.
That's all. We as a family, we know. Longwe Twala shot Senzo bene-argument noZandi. Ukuthi abambophi ngani, they well bayazibona, but uNkulunkulu ngelinye ilanga uyosihila amanxeba and nabanye bebemthanda uSenzo wangempela they will be healed. But in fact, to know this, we know which Longwe Twala shot Senzo because a person who was there within the first hour, he never met Longwe, he never met. He called us and told us which is Zandi's boyfriend that shot Senzo. Even Kelly Uyalazi Tumis. We respected Kelly, we treated her like a sister, as Abafobo Senzo, but this is what she has done to us.
uZandi,
but it's fine.
uZandi nimazi kanjani?
uZandi, I've never met uZandi. Kelly, I always come to Quebec to send Angiza. We show who busy because Usenzo was treating Kelly like a queen before everything happened. We understand. And the Natas brothers, Kelly, we understand. Kelly, we treated her like a sister, Maela, so yonke lento ayishoyo it's sad. Yet she knows ukuthi whatever that happened, while Usenzo washona protect her yena because there was an argument thinking ukuthi mhlawumbe Longwe someone la ulala nentombi yakhe. Bangasho noma yini abayithandayo. If ever ukuthi I have to go to jail for what I'm saying now, so let it be. Because it's sad in fact. It's sad that our national icon was killed like this by someone in the house. But see, those guys from the police who were there, who were not supposed to be there, they know what they were doing.
Yeah.
One day, when South Africa ithola umthetho, they will arrest them for defeating the ends of justice.
All right. Siyabonga Mia. Angibonge mfowethu.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. That is Siyabonga Mia, the cousin to the late Senzo Meyiwa. Now, the sum total of our discussion is that, first of all, Siyabonga Mia, the cousin to the late Senzo Meyiwa, says that they have not been contacted by the police about the alleged discovery of a firearm. Now, the reason